Hoor je dat? Dus er een lekker in de kop. En het is vrijdag. De ouders voor die naweek geniet, hè?
So tonight we have 2 hyenas in camp, scrounging around. One just walked right up to us, literally. And then he ran away. He's now come back with his friend. They're scrounging for food behind the trees. I don't know what it is they found here. Or whether they're just interested because there's people here. Listen to them smelling. When they get too close, we have to get rid of them, I'm afraid.
Yeah, right, so the river is still flowing very fast. It is still low tide, so it does seem to be receding a little bit now. Emergency services have been around. There's no evacuation order at this particular point. But what we've done in the meantime, just from our side, because we can't move, is we've just, you can see, we've just put everything on top of tables just to raise the level a bit so that the stuff can stay dry. In our tent as well, we've put everything on the bed. Well, we've taken it off the bed now. See, it's in this other little spot here. And we're going to take a walk to the front entrance of the resort just to show you what that looks like. Catch you in a few. There you go, just to give you a bit of a view of what's happening on the sort of front section of the campsites. You can see over here the road on this side is blocked. There is another exit entrance, so it's not that we stop from leaving or anything like that, but you can see the extent that the water has come up. It is it is going down at the moment, so because of the low tide, but we will, yeah, we have to just keep on monitoring and listen to emergency services and take it from there. Sure, it's been an eventful morning, but now we're going to cup into some of last night's spaghetti and mince for breakfast. Cold but delicious. Oh man, we're going to enjoy this.